Hi, this is your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic. In this video today, I'm going to show you a dynamic strengthening exercise for your neck. We're going to be working on neck flexion. So what I did is I took my Theraband and I tied a knot around the door here. If you don't have a door like this at home, that's okay. You can try a doorknob that's more, not a doorknob, but like a door handle might work. You can also put just a hook in your wall if you wanted to do that as well. What you're going to do is you're just going to take the Theraband and put it around your head. When you do this, you want to make sure you're sitting up nice and straight. And all you're going to do with neck flexion is you're just going to bend forward and you're going to come back. And you're just going to go up and down like this and try to like almost tuck your chin while you're doing it. So you're giving yourself a little bit of a double chin and coming down and coming back up. Just repeat that for about 10 reps, 3 sets, just to try to strengthen the neck flexors. It's very important to do that after you've done any sort of mobility exercise or any sort of treatment to improve the flexibility of that area. This is when you strengthen after you've done that. So thanks for watching this video. This is your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic.